It's just got over a horrible couple of frozen days and the rain's out, temperature 6 degrees, and we're just going to drive along and we'll talk about what's happening, what about the weather and so on. So my headlights are on, if you wondered, and my windscreen wipers are on intermittent. What's that down there? Oh, it's nothing. I thought it was something flying off a tree then. So you need a 4-second gap straight away, nothing too tricky. Keep a gap from the car in front of you, and the reason why you want that gap is, and I'm sure there's one or two of you telling me straight away, is so that you can stop safely if the car in front of you has to slow down. And it takes longer to stop in the wet weather than it does in dry weather, and if you brake hard there's a risk of skidding. So we just need to keep a safe space from the car in front of you. And I put the headlights on so I'm more visible. So it's not just side lights but headlights. If you don't know what lights are which, then I'll put a link to a video at the top and in the description below. So like I say, it's not an hard video, it's just talking about driving in these conditions, and the headlights are quite important. People can see you coming, especially on busy junctions that have got cars on, because they might not see the car because it's dark, but they'll see the headlights moving. And one other thing you've got to be careful for is when you're coming to junctions, is be careful. Make sure you can see, because if they've not got the headlights on, you might struggle to see them coming. You might miss. You might think there's nothing there and something's moving. That's it. Give way to your right at minis. So you slow down. Anticipation. I didn't know it was there, but my experience tells me to slow down just in case. And then this car's gonna see, he's half chancing it. It's not giving way properly there. So what you got to watch out for is silly drivers not paying attention. Is starting to move out there, and if you can avoid the ones doing it wrong, then you're not going to have an accident either, because you can anticipate the problem. And as I'm going through, it's coming out, so I'm slowing down, and then he stops, so I just carry on going out of the way. If he kept going, I'll be giving way straight away, which is my right of way, but sometimes you have to give way because people do get it wrong. So don't forget that. I remember actually a few years ago on a driving test, there was a guy on his driving test and he come back and failed, and the examiner says to me, "Oh, you failed. If you failed for not giving way at that priority point." So the lad says, "Well, it was my priority." The examiner said, "Yeah, it was, but there's a car in front of you going through, so where are you going to go?" "But it's my priority." He said, "Well, I know it's your priority." And I said to the lad, I said, "What are you doing that for?" I said, you know the rules. If you're right away and it's clear you can go, if it's not clear, give way. You know, don't force your way through. You're going to cause like a head-on collision. Anyway, the lad learnt from the mistake, and I think it was a bit of nerves. So anyway, it's really just talking while I'm driving, just giving you some insights, some tips, hopefully a couple of smiles on you at the same time. If it does, great. Anyway, I'm going back to the next lesson now, so that was a quick drive to the next lesson. I hope these short videos help you. I hope it's helping you improve your driving. If it is, fantastic. Safe drive on the roads, and good luck with your driving lessons.